Welcome back to my channel, Darice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. As you can tell by today's title, today is going to be focusing on the luxury part of my channel, of my content, I should say. And because we are going to be doing a Gucci. If I can get this box open. But here we go, guys. This is going to be a Gucci unboxing. So if you guys want to see exactly what I picked up from the Gucci fashion house, then make sure you keep on watching. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit that notification bell yet, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you definitely want to go ahead and make sure you're doing that. Make sure you guys are commenting, hitting the thumbs up button for the algorithm, because of course, guys, that's how YouTube is going to know to keep recommending my content. And I cannot stress this enough, because I do want to continue to keep growing here on this platform, and I really am just determined to do that. So please, I really would appreciate it so much if you guys could just do that, you know, just engage with me, all that good stuff. And without further ado, we are going to just go ahead and just jump right into the video. So I know what you guys are here for. You're probably thinking, well, what did she pick up from Gucci? And you guys, guess, you know what? At this point, if you want to know what guess what you think that I picked up from Gucci based off of that thumbnail. But so we're going to go ahead and just kind of do a little backstory, and then we're just going to jump right into the unboxing. It's actually going to be nothing that you probably expect it to be. Because, yeah, it's just not something that I see unboxed here a lot on YouTube, but I thought I would give it a shot because I'm just different like that. So anywho, number one, you guys know I am a sucker for packaging. So of course I thought wearing green would be fitting up because of the fact that, look at this green packaging, guys. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. So gorgeous. So Gucci has just been coming at their necks with this packaging this year. To me, this is like gorgeous. When you see it in person, it's so different. If you can get you something Gucci right now, if you see something, get it, while they have this gorgeous green packaging going on. And then on top of that, Gucci is giving out bags. They're giving out whole like shopping bags. What other fashion house is doing that? And then Gucci is not only on the front of the shopping bag, it's on the back. Y'all, I was sold. I'm like, Gucci, they're doing it. Who else is doing this? And then when you see the box, and it's cool. Y'all, okay, let me just stop. Let me go ahead and kind of just show you what I got. So I'm going to kind of do the real unboxing on the side, and then I'll insert that in now, and then we'll come back to this portion of the video where I kind of talk about the item, give like, you know, my first impressions and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that now. Oh my God, here it is. I am like, okay. So first of all, I was so thirsty, y'all. It came like this, but you guys know when you get something in the mail. So first of all, Gucci is doing these little bags right here. Gucci's packaging right now is everything. So I had to get something from Gucci because Gucci has just been that girl. So hold on, let me try to get this out with one hand. Literally, I'm so excited. So excited. So here it is. The true unboxing is right now, but I couldn't wait. I'm so thirsty. This literally just came. I've been press. So this gotta go, but it's just, oh my God, it's green. I had to get some. I had to. I'm a sucker for packaging. A sucker. And here it is. Okay, I had to put it down. It came in a whole other dust bag, y'all. Oh my God. Wait till I reveal this to y'all in the second half of this unboxing, which you probably are watching me talk through now. Okay guys, so yes, that was the actual unboxing. I couldn't wait. Like, I was so thirsty to get this item like in the mail because I just have been seeing all these videos, but here it is. This box is just, oh my God, I love packaging. I know some people aren't into this all like that. I am. So it has Gucci in black. It's just where you wish you, if you don't have something by, you know, with this packaging yet, just try to find you something. But anyways, let me go ahead and just open up and show you guys what the item is, because we did not come here to look at packaging, but I'm a sucker for packaging. So on top of it coming with a tote bag, this gorgeous packaging, it also comes with this dust bag. Now this dust bag, when I tell you, like, the way it feels, you get what you pay for. You really do. People want to talk about, oh, I spent so much money on, you get what you pay for. You may not need it, but the experience is just priceless. It's unmatched. So yes, this is the dust bag that the item came with. Can you guys guess what I got? Did you guys guess? Alrighty, and then it has this really pretty tissue paper that has the same thing. I couldn't get the ribbon back on, y'all, so that's why I just went ahead and inserted it, because the ribbon was cute, but your girl couldn't. I said, no, we're not doing that. So here it is, guys. I'm gonna show you. You guys are not gonna believe what I got. I can't even believe what I got, and I was really hesitant, but I'm like, I seen a couple people try this, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see. Here goes, y'all. Don't laugh. I got a bum bag, and not just any bum bag. I got a kid's bum bag. Yes. So I seen a couple people get these, and I thought they were just so cute. For one, I mean, okay, so they have like the traditional Gucci print, you know, the tan with the GG, what is it called, Supreme. Now this actually does have the print in it. I don't know if you guys can kind of see, but it's really, really like understated. So when you see this, you're not gonna if you see this, you may kind of can get the impression that it may be Gucci, but you're not gonna know for sure unless you really just know the brand, if you really are into luxury and stuff like that, which I really, really appreciated. And then I really like the color. I thought this color was cute. I thought this was great for summer. You know, for, again, going to like amusement parks. You guys know I'm a mom, a single mom at that. So I was really just like, I wanna see what this is about. Like, you know, I really wanna just try this out. I'm like, will this even fit around my waist? Now that's another thing we're gonna talk about in just a second here, because it does fit around the waist, but I'm not 100% sold on how it fits. But the sizing is not bad. It's actually a pretty decent sized bum bag. And I believe this retailed for $420 US, which is not bad. I mean, to be honest, you're really getting a whole bag from Gucci with all that packaging for a really good price. I won't say it's for the low, because I know that's subjective, but you know, if you wanted to try out the brand, these come in like a lot of different colors and things like that. I'm not sure what all they had in stock, but as far as what I liked, that didn't look too just, you know, obviously kiddie-ish. I thought this really just did the trick for me. So I'll go ahead and just open it up. It just has one zipper compartment here. And then I still have all the papers and everything in it. I haven't done much, but just kind of looked at it at this point. So I'll go ahead and take all this out. It has some tissue. You know, it has like the Gucci. It's like a booklet. You know, yeah, just some booklet, stuff like that. I mean, nothing to really talk about. And then it's just a big open compartment, which is really all you need. I mean, it's a lot of space here. I'll have to do a more in-depth video with showing you what can fit, because I record on my phone, so I really can't show you if my phone can fit. But here, what do I have over here that I could kind of give you an example? Oh no, here's a travel size perfume. I mean, that literally just goes right in. There's a lot of space. If you're a person like me that's minimalistic and you don't carry a lot of stuff with you, this will work just fine. So no problem in that area at all. I like the fact that it was silver hardware and not gold. That was another thing that drew me to it. But then it still kind of has all these different colors in it, so you don't feel, you know, limited in what you can wear. Then the GG is not jumping at you. Now, if you do know, this is more of the older Gucci print right here that's on here. So that's why I said, if you know luxury, then you may kind of recognize it, but it's not in your face. So I thought it was super cute. I don't know, I want to go ahead and kind of just put it around my waist so you guys get an idea of what it looks like. And no, I would not wear it with this outfit, but I just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like on the waist. And this is elastic, so that's one of the things that I'm like. So this is the elastic. I kind of have it all the way at the end, but this is it. Hopefully you guys can see this. Let me, I really hope. Move this chair, walk back some. Okay, hopefully this is better. Yeah, so this is it. I mean, of course I would just wear it out just like this. This is the look of it. It just has the little, you know, blue band. Nothing special. Of course I wouldn't wear it with this dress again, but I would wear it with like some sneakers, jogging pants, shorts. You know, I guess at this point the possibilities are endless. But yeah, so that's kind of how it looks on. And yeah, it has Gucci written right there. And I just thought this was super cute. Really surprised that I like it as much as I do. It grew on me at first. When I took it out the box, I'm like, oh my God, I hope I don't look crazy wearing this. But I'm not going to look crazy wearing this because I want to rock it cute. I know how to make stuff look cute and age appropriate. So trust me, if you guys want to see styling videos or more in-depth videos on me showing you how I will wear this item. Oh, and wearing it across the chest, it's a no-go. But we'll talk about that in a more detailed video. This is more so just the unboxing. You get the feel if you weren't familiar or even knowing or didn't even have these on your radar. Just kind of putting it out there that, yeah, you know, you can get a Gucci bag essentially for under $500 if you're willing to get a little creative. We'll leave it at that. So let me know in the comments if you guys have peeped that you could get like the kids' bum bags and kind of wear them as, you know, a bag. And if you have, you already did it, I would love just to hear how you styled them, you know, any ideas, how you really initially felt about the trend, all that good stuff. I would love for you to just leave it below in the comments. And of course, I will get back with you because I love hearing from you guys. And if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.